Hi guys, how are you all? My name is Parshv Gandhi, and in today's video we'll see something about JavaScript comments. What does this comment does? JavaScript comments can be used to explain JavaScript code and to make it more readable. So what it does, it explains you the JavaScript code. Okay, and second thing is, when you execute the code, when you test the code, JavaScript comment will not be executed. Okay, so when you are running the code, comment will not execute. Only the code will run. Comment will not execute. So that's why it's written that JavaScript comment can also be used to prevent execution when testing an alternative code. So how to write single line comments in JavaScript? So for writing a single line comment, you only need to write double slash. Okay, so in this example, let's see the example. We are writing double slash, then change heading. So what does this whole text does? This thing change the heading. Okay, change the heading. So for changing the heading, you write this code in JavaScript. So what does this code does? It change the heading. So for explaining this code, we are writing double slash change heading. What this thing is? This thing is called single line comment in JavaScript. Double slash and the text. Okay, that's it. Now let's move on and see some more examples. So what we are doing over here, we are making a variable x and we are assigning the value to the variable phi. So let's write a single line comment. So double slash declare x. So we are declaring x and give it the value of phi. Okay, so we are doing, we are assigning phi to the x. Okay, that's it. So now we will see some multi-line comments, how to write multi-line comments in JavaScript. For writing a multi-line comment, we need to start from slash star and end with a star slash. So let's see the example. So we are starting from slash star, we are writing the text and then we are ending it with star slash. So like this, we can write a multi-line comment in JavaScript. So for writing a single line, you use double slash. But if you want to write a whole paragraph inside a code, so you need to write a multi-line comment. So for writing a multi-line comment, you need to write slash star and then a star slash. First at slash star, then type your whole text, then at last type star slash. So that's a multi-line comment in JavaScript. So for writing a single line comment, double slash. For writing a multi-line comment, slash star, then whole text, then star slash. Okay, that's it. Now let's see, we have some exercise. Okay, we have exercise over here. Okay, so what is the correct syntax for creating a comment in JavaScript? So you say, just pause the video and do this exercise. Okay, so what is the correct syntax for writing a comment in JavaScript? So no bash, no dash dash, no double bash, we need double dash. Okay, so submit. So it's a correct answer. Let's move ahead to the next question. Select the correct syntax for commenting out the entire section of the code. Well, you can see here it's not single line, it's a multi-line comment. So what we will do is, first is slash star. So we have here slash star and at the end star slash. So we'll have star slash and we will submit it. It's a correct answer. Let's move ahead. Now what will be the value of x? So x is equal to phi and here we are writing a comment, see single line comment, a comment, and x is equal to 7. So what will be the value of x? So I have told you before that when you are writing a comment will be not executed when the code is run. Okay, so we have x is equal to 5, so the value of x is 5. Submit. That's it. Congratulations guys, we have done the comment part of JavaScript. So in next video we will see something called variables. Okay, that's it. Bye bye.